Good morning, everyone. My name is Favour. I am an ALX student and I'm the group leader for the Tech Titan team. And today I'm going to be presenting a solution that directly addresses one of the biggest challenges in Africa. Not the teacher shortage, but the resource shortage. This is Tech Assist, a simple offline first mobile tool designed to empower teachers and transform learning outcome across the continent. Now, the big problem. Let's start with the problem. Across Africa, teachers are not just lacking passion, they are lacking materials, they are lacking tools, and they are lacking time. Every week, teachers spend 5 to 10 hours searching the internet or sketching lesson notes from scratch. That's over 40 hours every month. The entire week lost, not to teaching, but in making preparations to teach. How ironic. And without structured materials or proper tracking tools, struggling students often go completely unnoticed until it's too late. This is not just inconvenient, it has long-term consequences on numeracy, literacy, and the entire objective of the SDG 4 goal, which is quality education. Now, let's meet the user. We are going to be using Mr. Daniel Chikamso as a case study. He has 5 years of experience in teaching primary 3 class. He manages over 40 students per class with no textbooks, no teaching guides, and only a basic Android phone. Daniel identifies struggling students only through their memory or their behavior or slow response. And by the time he notices, the learning gap has already widened. Now, data makes the problem even clearer. Teachers without textbook, according to UNESCO, often lack up-to-date teaching guides. This contributes to teachers needing to improvise materials or solely rely on memory to teach. The CGDEV blog reports that in some African contexts, teachers spend a large portion of their time on non-teaching activities. 40% of teachers' time is spent in teaching, the rest is spent in classroom management, which includes administrative tasks and even non-productive off-task activities. No data tracking system, and it doesn't end there. Teachers rely purely on memory to track over 40 students. There is no structured system for recording performance or identifying struggling students or follow up consistently. This is why the learning gap has persisted for years. Our solution: we are implementing a teachers assisting app, a mobile app built specifically for the African classroom. It provides ready-made curriculum aligned lesson notes, simple class activities, quick assessment, and a lesson teacher. Introducing Teach Assist, a mobile app built specifically for the African classroom. It provides a ready-made curriculum aligned lesson notes, simple class activities, quick assessment, and a student progress tracker. And most importantly, it works completely offline. With Teach Assist, teachers receive auto-generated lesson notes aligned with national curriculum standard, clear objective, activities, assessments, and prompts organized in a way that reduces preparation time from hours to minutes. Our teacher dashboard acts as a command center. It shows total students, assignments, performance metric, a calm organized interface designed for simplicity, clarity, and speed. Our design goals: everything in this app follows one philosophy: simple, focused, and built for low resource environment. It is offline first. It has intuitive navigation, curriculum aligned content, minimal visuals to reduce cognitive load, and inclusive design for teachers who are not so tech savvy. We've built a clean, predictable user flow, which is from login to dashboard, from dashboard to class, that's the selection of classes, then to the subject, selection of subject, and then to the lesson notes proper, which has a button that would lead you to the assessment page. And from the assessment page, you can also directly go to the student tracker to record the performance of each student. Nothing extra, nothing confusing, just the tools that the teachers need daily. Now, the user pain points. After going through the user survey, we discovered that the first pain point for every teacher is really the lack of teaching materials. Most users identify that the most important feature that they like in the app is actually the lesson notes. Many rely on memory or outdated handouts. They need reliable, ready-made lessons plan that guides instruction and aligned with the national curriculum. This is exactly what Teach Assist provides, instantly and offline. The user pain point number two. Most users note that struggling students actually go unnoticed. The teachers find this overwhelming to actually pinpoint every student and know their actual performance. Before they have noticed, some students have already gone, there's already a wide range of issues that the students already have before they, it gets noticed by the teachers. Teach Assist solve this with simple assessment feature and a student tracker that highlights students who need help before they fall behind. Pain point number three, there is limited devices and connectivity. Most teachers have basic smartphones, unreliable electricity, and very limited mobile data. Teach Assist is designed to work entirely offline, lightweight and optimized for low-end Android users, making it usable across rural and semi-urban communities. Our impact and vision. With Tech Assist, we aim to scale educational impact across Nigeria and eventually across Africa. Our goals are simple. Number one, we would increase students through this app. We can improve student test scores, we can reduce teachers' preparation time, and we can support resource poor schools, strengthening foundational learning in early grades. We envision a teacher having a tool that boosts confidence, that reduce stress, and transform their classroom. Our roadmap is very straightforward. From month 1 to 2, we build the full app with all redesigns. From month 3 to 4, we pilot it in 10 schools with over 150 teachers. And in month 5 to 6, we iterate and prepare for nationwide scale. This is not theoretical solution. It is practical, it is implementable, and it is deeply needed. Teachers are not the problem. The system and the resources are. Teach Assist give teachers what they have been missing out on: structured content, simple assessment, and a reliable way to track students' progress, all offline. And we are ready to build the future of classroom support. We invite you to partner